Hi.
Can we
How's
wait?
Tatay? Healthier than you expected, huh?
Oh. Kit, can we interview you for a bit? Yes, oo.
Okay.
Parang,
Just quickly lang. Of course. Apple of his
As
eyes.
usual, he sends his warm regards to everyone, to the supporters, for of course the unwavering love and support,
yes.
and for the family, sends his love, his pure love to everyone.
Kit, meron ba siyang kanang, did you hear about the situation that he was rushed to the hospital?
Yes, but he is okay. It's just his routine checkup.
Routine.
Okay, I see. Thank you for clarification.
As you all know, he is old and not exactly in the best shape, but he's okay. Actually, I expected him to be more frail, but he's not. He's doing well. He's even better as compared to the first few weeks inside.
Okay.
He sounded more lively, more sharp, and I don't know.
How did he feel that he didn't have any family visits for 2 weeks?
He was looking for my mother for so many times, and I had to explain to him the situation, and he understood, of course. But ayun, he was constantly reminding me to do something about it, and I reassured him that we're doing our best. But as of now, I'll be the one
For visit.
We're having a prayer rally for Tatay Digong tonight. I hope you can join us.
Yes, I will.
Yeah.
Ano lang kasi I'm busy with my studies.
Yes,
also,
okay.
So let me just finish everything and I will be there tonight. I
Yes.
cannot promise that I'll be early, but
Sure.
Yeah,
I
we'll-
will try, of course, to
We'll be there.
pass by. Yes.
Kit, last question lang talaga. What's the biggest difference from the last time you visited him and right now?
I'll be honest with you, not much. I was so worried when I was in the Philippines. I was so worried that when I've been asking my siblings and the lawyers, can you tell me what to expect? Should I expect a thinner dada, a thinner papa? They kept reassuring me na he's doing good, there's no difference. And when I saw him inside, ayun nga, they were right. The only difference is he now has a long beard.
Okay.
It's colored white.
okay.
And he does have white colored eyebrows now.
Okay.
And ayun, but his hair, ayun, maarte kasi yun. So, meron siyang hindi naman daily, siguro weekly hair dye. So, ayun pa rin.
Excellent.
Hindi na siya pure black, may pagka-blonde siya.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah.
Kit, also last question. Importante kasi ito kasi this is a very big victory for the entire Filipino people. Alam niya ba na nanalo with respect sa Supreme Court?
Yes,
Si VP Inday Sara?
About it. He sent his regards to my sister and he told her that he is extremely proud of her.
Did you know that it was a unanimous Supreme Court decision?
Yes, he knows about all of that. And he also knows na, ayun, continuous pa rin yung rotation of visits namin dito. Pupunta sila. So, and excited siya kasi,
You're here.
You're here, yeah, exactly.
Ako muna, of course,
Yeah.
for now. And,
You look so beautiful, Kitty, actually.
I'm sorry guys, I really have to go.
One more
Okay.
question, very last lang, Kitty. What was the first question na tinanong niya sa'yo when she saw you? When he saw you, sorry.
actually, it wasn't a question. He said, ang laki ko na daw. In a way na,
A woman,
but
yeah.
But I think
You grew taller.
he thinks that I'm taller now. Maybe it's because of the slippers
Yeah.
I'm wearing, but kasi he was wearing flat slippers, so I
Yeah.
think this added to my height. But
Yeah.
ayun, he was surprised to see me.
Yeah.
Sobrang tangkad ko na. Almost his height.
Oh.
Kasi ako yung pinakamaliit sa amin. But he was happy to see na I was growing. I mean, I'm not growing anymore, but
Okay.
that's
He
what
knows
Yeah.
you're here 4 times a week for him.
Kitty, welcome back to the Netherlands. It's good to see you. And see you later, ha?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pabuhay ka,
Bye.
Kitty.
Yan po si Kitty.
Bye, Kitty.
Regards kung papa ni
Gong.
Regards si Dulce ha.
Ako ang ina na gwapa kay Katerina.
Dulce, regards si Dulce.
Oh, lagi.
Kit.
Ako ang ina, ma'am.
Kit, pwede quick selfie ko. Dali lang. Thank you. Thank you, Kit. Mabuhay ka. You look so pretty. Oh my God. Saan mo na pag-achieve, Kit? Can you please let us know?
Actually, nakatulog lang yun ko.
Hala, oy, murag prayers na yun di ugkuan ka ng water. No, grabe no. Very plump ang ano.
Ganda-ganda mo,
Oh,
girl.
oh my God. Super pretty. I love it. Thank you, ha. Okay, thank you, Kit, ha.
Paselfie good tayo.
Yeah, you look so pretty. Kit, mabuhay ka, Kit, ha. Regards. Greetings to
take
your
care of
mom.
Kitty,
Take care. Do good sa imuhang pag-study, Kit. Thank you. See you later. Po, ang latest na information about kay PRRD, mga kababayan, and that is very much important for us to know na si PRRD is okay. There's nothing much difference from the first time she saw him and up until today. And my heart is filled with joy and very much positivity because finally we have clarified na si PRRD with respect to his hospital visit is only a matter of routine. And at the same time, mga kababayan, sinabi din ni Kitty that the former president knows about the victory of the vice president with respect to the case before the impeachment proceeding na final sa kanya ng mga House of Representatives with respect doon sa impeachment Supreme Court, by the way, sorry po. And it's really worth the entire planning and everything, mga kababayan, because finally we were able to get more information to share to the entire Filipino people who's anxiously waiting about the whereabouts kay PRRD. Now she looks so pretty. She has a very plump lips, and I think everybody, you should go and try to visit Baker. Become a Baker baby. Grabe, sobrang ganda ang skin itself. Sobrang ganda, mga kababayan.